That bike looks absolutely awesome. Sandy, what's this called? Baby Ghost? Let's go. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Happy Holidays to all of you. And I'm gonna walk you through all of my gear. The Gerben heated gear socks that you see right here. Supposedly the best huevos rancheros. I'm glad he came in his pickup truck because now we got a spot for all of our helmets. All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. Fly and Ride here. I got another great video for you today. It is Christmas weekend. It is 32 degrees outside, and the crew is meeting up for the last ride of the year, and I'm taking you with us. If you're new here, I'm Fly and Ride, and on this channel I focus on motovlogs, ride videos, ride reviews, all on my 2020 Streetlight CVO and on my 22 BMW R1250 GS. We do destination rides, group rides like we're doing this morning, product upgrades, product reviews, testing out different bikes, taking you to awesome places across the Northeast, all here on the channel. So do me a favor, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell notification so you can be reminded of future content like this one. Let's go. So it is 32 degrees right now. It's supposed to go up to about 38. So nice and chilly. I've ridden in colder temperatures than this, but this is a pretty long ride we're doing today. So I've got all of my heated gear and all of the gear that I use to continue to ride in temperatures and conditions like we have here today across the Northeast. So what I want to do is, while I'm headed to meet up the crew here, I'm going to switch over and I'm going to walk you through all of my gear, the setup, in case anyone is interested. And hopefully, look, if you're considering to put your bike away in the winter, we ride all winter long. The only time we don't ride when there's a bunch of salt on the ground, or obviously if there's snow or ice on the ground. So let me switch over now and show you all of the gear that we use, and then I'll meet you back here when we start to meet up with the crew. Today, we've got most of the crew out. We're gonna meet up with Steve in his neck of the woods in White Plains, New York. He's got this awesome diner, and all of us are gonna meet there for breakfast. I'm gonna bring all of that to you here, so you're gonna wanna stick around. Let me show you the gear now. All right, so let me show you the gear that I use when it's really, really cold out to stay nice and toasty and just extend the riding season. We're using the Neotech 2 today. This is the modular helmet. I usually use the X14 that you see there, but this is modular, so obviously I'm using that today. These are the boots that I'm bringing out today. Believe it or not, these are Uggs, but they're lined. And this keeps you super, super warm, combined with the Gerben heated gear socks that you see right here, fully charged. So that is for the feet. That's gonna keep them nice and toasty. I've got my Gerben heated gloves. I also have a set of battery-powered gloves just in case something malfunctions. I've got a backup. I got an extra battery here, fully charged. So again, this is ready to go. We're doing a pretty long trip this morning. So we wanna make sure we've got the adequate backup equipment just in case. Last thing you wanna do is be freezing out there in this cold. And of course, if it warms up a little bit later, which is supposed to, I've got my awesome Indie Ridge gloves right here that combined with the heated grips. On temperatures, when it reaches about 40, these gloves do the job. I've got my Under Armour headgear here. That's gonna go protect me wearing that helmet. I've got my neck gaiter from Beyond Riders. That'll go there, so give me an extra layer of protection in my neck. This is the Gerben heated underpant that you see right here. The battery for this is right here, nice and charged, ready to go. We'll plug that in here. And again, if my legs start to feel cold, I just turn this bad boy on here. This comes right outside. Boom. Turn it on. Keeps you super, super toasty. When I'm not wearing the Gerben heated gear, I'm wearing my Under Armour cold gear. And this is the Under Armour cold gear for the top right there. And then I'm wearing these lined pants today. I don't know if you can see it there. So these are nice and, see that? And this is windproof and also keeps you nice and warm. Combined with the cold gear, it's gonna do the job. And then I use, when it's really cold out like today, I use this jacket by a company called Cryptek. It's actually a hunting company. They do not just hunting stuff, but also just really, really high quality. This is very thin, but this jacket, I mean, protects you under the most extreme cold conditions. Highly, highly recommended. And of course, I've got my Gerben heated jacket here with my plug, and I'm gonna show you how I do that. I'll just bring it over here. Star of the show right there. Sandstorm is ready to go. So you see this plug right there. Just open that up. And then this goes in like this. Boom, and it's ready to go. So that's my heated gear setup. Hopefully it helps you if you want to come out and extend your riding conditions and extend your riding season here in the Northeast. You absolutely need it, in my opinion, especially it's 32 degrees outside. With the wind of the motorcycle, it's going to feel very, very cold. You're going to want to be appropriately geared, and this is what I use. Let's get back to the ride. Check it out. Check it out. Yeah. All right, my GoPro battery died, so I'm improvising here, and I'm going to bring you bits and pieces of this video. We're going to meet Steve at the diner. It's about half an hour from our usual spot. Senior is in his freaking awesome RT. Look at this freaking windshield. Got awesome wind coverage. This is George's badass Indian. And then you've seen Glenn's bike, but look at the exhaust on this. He's got the upgraded Acro Privilege exhaust on this bike. Awesome rear rack. So we're gonna do the BT Moto tune soon in the Fly and Ride Garage. You're gonna wanna stay tuned for this. And you got Mr. Holy Shift. Sandy, what's this called? Baby Ghost? The Glide Slayer. Bike's looking awesome. Oh, I didn't see you put the wind protection on. Yeah. Nice, man.
Did they work at all? What? The lower,
He's got the lowers on.
Did the love jugs work?
It works?
Love jugs are really effective. Test them out today.
Look at the love jugs.
Get a little lower, at least 20 degrees today. I like you call them the
Anybody have these? Let me know down in the comments below.
As if I care. That's fucking technology.
Sandy did a highly scientific test on these recently. Make sure you go check out his video.
Next week he's doing a review on his air conditioner.
All right, we'll catch you back at the diner for some awesome, awesome breakfast. There it is right there. All right, we're at City Limits Diner in White Plains, New York. Awesome ride on the way. We're gonna go in there and grab some awesome breakfast. We're lining up the bikes. We're gonna do a little photo shoot here too. That's the feature presentation right there. That's 120th anniversary. Beautiful, beautiful bike. Look at that thing. Look at that thing.
He's got to be close to home driving that thing. Oh, yeah.
That looks awesome. Beautiful bike. All right, so that's Mr. Vinny right there. He came in his pickup truck. I'm glad he came in his pickup truck because now we got a spot for all of our helmets.
60 miles? He has about 4,000 or 5,000 in helmet.
Yeah, at least. All right, let's get some breakfast. Oh, yeah, look at that. Supposedly the best huevos rancheros. It's got beans in there. It's got the red sauce. Yes, thank you. Yeah, I'm sharing. Yeah, look at that. Main course, you gotta have dessert. You gotta have dessert.
Fly and ride. What do you got on this? You got.
All right, you got guacamole, you got some green sauce, you got some refried beans, and you got some red sauce, and then a nice fried tortilla. Yeah.
All right. Nice. Listen, I'm not.
Enjoy, everybody.
Yes. Yeah, but wait until mine comes out.
These huevos rancheros are amazing. Look at that right there.
Everybody turn out to this huevos. Benny, Sammy, Sammy brought his wife back, right? For the huevos.
Wow.
I got a whole following behind this huevos rancheros. No, I'm good.
Very good. All right, now for dessert. Look at this. Oh, yeah.
Just throw me a little piece of that.
The hash is good, huh? Real good.
The better one.
Yeah, he said it's fresh. It's not the can.
Hold on. It's right here. Thank you.
Very, very good. See, Steve wasn't joking. You can see him doing the deed. Thank you, bro.
Don't let him watch your bike, though.
Thank you, man.
But don't let him watch your bike.
You can't change it.
He's not too good at watching.
Senior, smile. There you go. All right, that was a freaking awesome breakfast. John's doing his thing. Let me show you the lineup here of these bikes. Look at this.
Well, back in the no bullshit.
That bike looks absolutely awesome. Mad Max. I freaking love that exhaust. Look at Sammy's freaking awesome Kawasaki. This thing is beautiful. Sandstorm and Sandy's Baby Ghost. All right, we're gonna go right down. I got the drone back here. We're gonna give you some nice cinematic drone footage. I'm gonna switch to that right now. Enjoyed some of that nice drone footage of that awesome bridge. Let me show you this takeoff spot. So we just flew from here. Look at this view of the Mario Cuomo Bridge. Man, this is awesome. You just saw that from the sky, and now you're seeing it right from our spot here. Senior and I, we're gonna head back, enjoying 9W South.
I forgot the keys, or else was going south.
Oh, that's right. He forgot. This is one of his many homes. He forgot the keys. I'm going to wrap up this video. Do me a favor. If you like this kind of content, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. Hit that bell notification. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Happy holidays to all of you. This will probably be one of the last rides that we do before 2024. We've got a ton of content planned for you in 2024. So you're going to want to stick around. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that bell notification so you can be reminded of future content. Thanks for watching.